Hi, so what's going on guys? Matt here with Droid Tech Reviews and welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be looking at the Otterbox Amplify glass series. So this is the 5X version for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. However, they do have it for all the 12 series and in fact the previous generation iPhones, iPhone 11 series as well. So in my testing, this screen protector is in fact the best screen protector or one of the best screen protectors you can get for the iPhone 12 series. So later on through this video I'll also be doing a comparison, comparing the Amplify glass series with a cheaper alternative from China, and I'll be showing you the difference because I actually broke my 11 Pro Max screen protector as well, and that is on a cheaper screen protector. And unfortunately the iPhone 12 Pro Max Amplify glass, which I've been testing out, also cracked as well at the same point. So I'll be comparing both and showing you that quality does matter when it comes to screen protectors, because if you think screen protectors are all the same, the ones that you buy from China and the ones that you buy from Otterbox, you are definitely wrong, because when it comes to safety side, you'll see a very big difference. Alright, so before we begin the unboxing and installation, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, do hit the subscribe button and also enable notifications so you can get notified on the latest videos which I post. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing of the Otterbox Amplify glass series for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright guys, so we are back. As you can see, I have my Go iPhone 12 Pro Max, and now I'm going to show you the difference between a good quality screen protector like the Otterbox Amplify glass series compared to the cheaper alternative which I'm using on my 11 Pro Max. Alright, so let me show you the crack right here. Let me get the camera to focus. Alright guys, so you can see at the bottom here there is a pretty bad crack, but as I move my finger on top of it, I'm not actually getting cut, even though it is pretty smashed up here, but my finger has no glass shards at all. Alright, so when it comes to my 11 Pro Max, which is using a cheap China branded screen protector, yes, the pieces are still intact and it's pretty bad as well. You can see the grooves right here, but as you can see, the shards are actually coming off the screen protector. However, it does not happen on the Otterbox version of the glass screen protector. So you can see the difference right here. Of course, this costs a lot more, but in terms of safety wise, when it comes to getting your finger cut after breaking your screen protector, you will not have any issues when using a branded screen protector like the Otterbox Amplify glass as compared to a cheap 20 or 30 ringgit screen protector you get from China. So definitely in terms of quality wise, I will give it to the Amplify glass. So I just wanted to show you guys a comparison. And there's a very big difference in my opinion. Of course, in terms of usability wise, they are more or less the same, to be honest. So let me get through the unboxing right here. Alright, so you can see on the top, Otterbox Amplify glass as usual, engineered to endure, 5 times drop protection. You can see anti-scratch technology. It has been very durable, no scratches at all after using since day 1 from launch. And this screen protector has not been babied at all. This has actually been used like how a screen protector is supposed to be used. Alright, so taking a look at the bottom, you can see superior drop protection, reinforced edges. Bear in mind that the screen protector that I'm using here on the 12 Pro Max is actually similar to the one that I'm going to be installing for you guys, so there's no like any how to say manufacturing differences. They're all exactly the same. So this is also made with Corning Gorilla Glass, so it's engineered by Corning, so you're definitely going to get top-notch quality when it comes to this screen protector. Alright, so let me get through the unboxing quickly because basically it's all standard affair. Alright, so let me take it all out and show you guys one by one. Alright, so that's about it, I guess. Yep. Alright, so let me put that to the side. So first things first, let's go through all the books. Alright, so you can see right here there's a warranty card and stuff like that, and an installation instructions. Pretty straightforward, especially when you have the install tool. It makes your life a whole lot easier. But this install tool has actually changed as compared to the previous generation, the one for the 11 series. I personally think both work the same, but however, I heard some feedback that the 12 series is slightly harder to install and the chances of dust getting into the screen is actually pretty high. But so far I've been installing and I haven't had any issues. Alright, so right here in this small sleeve you get your necessary tools, which I have a ton of it lying around, so I'm not going to be using. You get a microfiber cloth, you get a squeegee, you get alcohol prep pad and stuff like that, and of course you get a dedusting sticker, which is normal. And then also you get the install tool, you can see right here. So all you need to do is just slide it open, put your phone in, do the alignment properly, and then voila, that's it, and you're done installing. So it's very simple. Of course, I'll be showing you guys, just going through the unboxing first. Alright, so we are done with the unboxing. Very simple and easy, and all the tools you need are actually right here. Alright, so let me quickly get it installed, and I will fast forward and show you guys the install process. Alright guys, so we're done, and as you probably saw already, I almost messed it up because the alignment tool wouldn't like sit in with the groove. So right here you can see the screen protector. Very nice, and in fact I should say the install's supposedly supposed to be easy, but this one was a pretty tough one because usually this doesn't happen, but I guess this one there was some problem with the alignment tool. I'm not sure why, because I've stuck quite a lot of them already, especially for customers as well. You can see right here all the cutouts are really precise, and the alignment is spot on because of course you're using the alignment tool, right? So you can see right here, I'm not really 100% happy with this installation, but I wish actually that the Otterbox would keep their packaging a little bit cleaner, because when I opened it, it was really dusty, and this is not the only one that I opened that was dusty. In fact, when there is actually dust around the alignment tool, you actually have a higher chance of messing up your install. So I suggest you do clean that up, especially the install tool when you're installing it, before you install of course. Clean it up, make sure there are no dust, but of course I didn't do that. That was one of the biggest mistakes. So you can see right here, scrolling, everything has no issues, you can see. So the touch sensitivity is not affected when you use this screen protector, even though it's on the slightly thicker side. But of course it gives protection as well. When you're using a slightly thicker glass screen protector, the impact will actually be able to be absorbed better. That's the reason why it's 5 times compared to the 2 or 3 times the other versions of this glass screen protector has. Would I recommend it? Definitely I would recommend it, but I would highly suggest Otterbox to go back to the iPhone 11 days when the install tool was much better. In fact, I feel that this install tool, yeah, it's compatible with many models, but when it comes to actually installing, chances of you messing up is actually slightly higher than the previous generation install tool that came with the package. Alright, so this screen protector I think retails for 169 ringgit if not mistaken. So yes, it doesn't come cheap. 169, you probably can get a very good case for the price, but you're getting a screen protector. But having a case doesn't complete the total protection for your device. Having a good screen protector and a good case is very important. That's the reason why I always recommend customers. The 5X is above their budget. They can get actually the other version, which is the 2 or 3 times, which is I think adequate enough if you do not use your phone that rough. So the 5 times is more peace of mind, that's what I can say. Using this with if you want a SIM case, get the Symmetry, otherwise get the Commuter series or the Defender, up to you. A combination like this, especially all from a similar company, you're not going to get any compatibility issues, especially in terms of the fitting wise. Alright, so this has been a very quick install and unboxing of the Amplify Glass series for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. They do have it for all the iPhone 12 series, including the iPhone 11 and I think other models as well. So if you're interested, I will leave the link in the description below so you can check it out where to buy it from. Alright, so guys, this concludes my video. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more content just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.